there has been an increasing need for tablet printing in order to prevent accidental ingestion and counterfeit drugs. Qualicaps' newly developed IMS-400i is a tablet inkjet printer capable of contactless tablet printing. Let's take a look at the IMS-400i's printing process. The tablets that are fed into the hopper pass through the service hopper and are then fed into the supply drum. Next, the rectifier drum aligns the tablets so that their surfaces are horizontal for printing and then transfers them to the marking drum. In the first marking drum, the surface of each tablet is visually inspected first to detect foreign matter, defects, the position of the tablet, the angle of the scoreline, and other characteristics. The inkjet printer then prints according to the position and the angle of the tablet, followed by the side view inspection. Last is the printing inspection. After the front surface has been printed on and inspected, the tablets are transferred to the second marking drum. The reverse side of the tablets will undergo a visual inspection to detect their features, which is then followed by the side view inspection and the printing inspection. The defective tablets are separated according to whether they have visual defects or printing defects and are collected in their respective boxes. As a result, only the tablets that are deemed to be non-defective are discharged. The IMS-400i has achieved its high processing capacity by utilizing Qualicaps' unique drum transfer system. Compared to conventional conveyor belt systems, the drum transfer system has less fluctuations in processing capacity due to tablet shape, and it can safely supply and transfer tablets of various shapes, such as round ones, irregularly shaped ones, as well as extremely powdery tablets such as uncoated and OD tablets. As a result, the processing capacity can reach up to 400,000 round tablets per hour and 350,000 irregularly shaped tablets per hour. In addition, a laser sensor detects protruding tablets before inspection and printing. When the laser sensor detects a protruding tablet, the mechanism empties the printing unit. This allows for continuous operation without damaging the inkjet head, even if protruding tablets are present. In addition, the protruding tablets are ejected unprinted so that they can be reinserted. The IMS-400i is equipped with a unique inkjet system. The IMS-400i uses quick-drying ink, which is highly visible even in small amounts. In addition, the use of a recirculating inkjet head, which is less prone to clogging, eliminates the need for long-term ink cleaning and reduces operating costs. The IMS-400i provides high-precision inspection. The visual inspection detects black foreign matter and defects as small as 50 micrometers squared, and the printing inspection detects missing text. The side view inspection detects black foreign matter and defects as small as 50 micrometers squared. These inspection functions make it possible for a full visual inspection without any blind spots. The IMS-400i is easy to operate and maintain. Basic operations can be performed from the front of the equipment. Specialized parts and replacement parts can also be replaced without tools. In addition, the drums can be stacked, allowing for compact storage. The IMS-400i is 1.5 meters wide, 1.7 meters deep, and 2.3 meters high. The built-in transfer blower, control board, automatic ink cleaning unit, and even the foot space, which is one of the smallest classes in the industry, allow for greater flexibility in installation. The all-in-one design reduces energy consumption to 1/3 that of conventional models, contributing to energy conservation. For high speed, high-quality printing, with easy maintenance and a compact design, the IMS-400i tablet inkjet printer was developed to meet a variety of printing demands.